Imagine a world where objects can be in multiple places at once. Are they ghosts? Or are they magical creatures? In this world, simply looking at something can change its condition. Imagine it like a ball suddenly moving across levels of a stair and changing color at the same time. The story begins with a wave function. In quantum mechanics, a particle or an object is described by a mathematical wave function. It is so different from ocean waves because it only exists in our abstract thinking. Before measurement, there is no definitive value of its position. Something strange happens upon the act of measurement. The quantum state is forced to take a definitive value, which becomes the measurement result. This process is called the collapse of the wave function. The star represents the energy levels a particle can occupy. The Schrödinger equation generates a bunch of wave functions as its solution set. A particle can be at one of these wave functions. Just for this example, the quantum system has only 4 possible solutions. At other times, there can be as many as 10, 100, or even more, depending on the quantum system. Each wave function corresponds to a distinct energy level. Upon measurement, only a value of energy will show itself. The rest will hide shrouded in mystery. However, if the measurement is conducted again, another energy value will show up. This is another example of the wave function collapse. So, what is the wave function collapse actually? It is just like rolling a dice and see which face comes up. What do you think about wave function collapse? Feel free to write it in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next video. Thank you.